ఎందుకు గోపి అన్న నేను పిల్లలేరు ఆయన నాకు రావద్దని కూడా అనలేదు ఏమంటావు
ఇది ఒక్కటే కదా ఏం సంగతి మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోయాను
ఇలా వేరే టెన్షన్ ఉందా ప్రొడక్ట్స్
brand is, skincare beginners test. But it's good one for them. Because I was checking on Nykaa, so even I think it has skincare products. They have this one. One of the was have this, sensitive sponsors to every release as the choice, and I'm sure it's more affordable. Every picture, absolutely. The entire brand is affordable. High-end product would be of 15, 950. Everything is under 1,000. And that way I guess you run a lot of formulas. And there are other things like
Zoya from Etude. I'm the national brand expert with Etude, and today we are here to celebrate the Etude launch at Tira. And we have completed 5 years already in India having Etude, and we are here to celebrate today again the brand launch, and we're doing for the first time the launch event at Hyderabad, and we do have some amazing masterclass aligned with the very renowned makeup artist Rihanna Ravlani, and we also, let me introduce to all of you with Etude first. So Etude is the brand from South Korea, and they are popular for their fun makeup culture, and they are easily accessible for all those Gen Z college makeup going girl. They are the brand quite affordable and easy accessible for everybody else. And we are pioneer in the lip tints. You find the lip tint starting with the water formulas, oil formulas, mattifying formulas, everything is right there in Etude. And we have also recent launch here. Not just one, we have 2 recent launch, which are the lip oil, and there's a lip over glowy tint. These tints are already people are obsessing with, because they come with the really nice shades, and this one specifically, this is amazing because it comes with those nice sheen that you apply on top of the lipstick. And this is of course the oil, which is already a trend in India. And let me also speak about the other collection that we have at Etude, which is the eyeshadow palette. And they are really nice. They are highly pigmented, and there are so many eyeshadow palette to create a different eyeshadow looks and entire makeup look as well. And if I talk about the blushers, they're also quite versatile in terms of if I talk about tints, they're quite versatile. It can be used over the eyes, over the cheeks, over the lips, and of course the blushes are there, which is the cookie blush, which comes with the powder formula. And this is one of the cutest packaging that you will ever see, and this comes with a really nice puff as well. And also let me talk about some other categories that we have at Etude is eyebrow pencils, mascaras. They are amazing makeup removers as well. So they are quite completed makeup range that we have here. So thank you.
So how was the response from the customer when the product they were looking?
Can you repeat yourself again?
How was the response?
What is the response?
Response is amazing, because as I mentioned in the beginning, that Etude caters to all those Gen Z college going girls, and that's what the response we're receiving is amazing. It's overwhelming, because again the tint is something that you could be used every day and anywhere. It's it's a product that you can just carry along with you. So that's it. So Etude is available in online, all the e-com channels, being it Nykaa, Tira, SS Beauty, all the e-com channel I would say. Like in offline, we are all available in Ambience platform. Tira you'll find at Nykaa, you'll find at Shoppers Stop, you'll find us at Tata Click, so we are available pretty much everywhere. So you can get your hands with these exciting products everywhere you travel.
What will be the prices
So Etude is quite affordable, as I mentioned, and the pricing range that is starting from is a 450. The tints are retailed as 450, and of course there are other products as well that you'll find. All of the products are quite affordable. So I would just say that.
How was the response on the workshop?
Response on
Workshop.
workshop. Okay, so in today's event, we're expecting to have 35 to 40 people joining us for the masterclass, and it's gonna be all about exploring every makeup tips and techniques that the makeup artist we've invited by Rihanna Ravlani. She's gonna be teaching everybody what the exciting tips and techniques of makeup. So yeah.
That's great. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just tell about the workshop.
So we are conducting the Etude House workshop here today, in which we'll be promoting their products, which are basically lip tints and cheek tints. And we'll be doing, like, I'm done with the base already because Etude doesn't do base products. So we'll be promoting their eye tints and their lip tints and cheek tints. They have a lot of shade range in it, and they have really quirky colors, lots of pinks and lots of nude colors in it, which is lovely. And they come in a very affordable price range, which you will barely see. Such good quality product in such price range is barely, like, it's not available in India in most of the brands.